Gabriel and Daniel is driving. We're gonna get his reaction.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, there's a car behind us. It's okay. It's okay.
Shut up, Anna. Just kidding. Please! Where is he?
Further.
Oh my gosh, he's still like not done.
Oh. Oh. Put my window down. Put my window down.
Wait, I can't think at the same time.
Hi, Gabe! Hi, Gabe!
How do I unlock this? Oh, I'm in the lady's way.
Oh.
Hey!
Daniel!
Trying to get in. Whoops.
Stupid.
Here, Arthur, you want to go? Shut up.
That's okay. Remember when that one time I go, oh, I thought I was moving. Stop. How do you feel?
How do you feel? Almost being dragged along.
It's your fault.
I thought you were already in